Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make the cake language filter or the space language filter to be your wallpaper on your phone. So type in cake language filter and select either one of them. I'm just going to select the top one up here and I'm going to select camera. Okay, so then I'm going to type in the name of somebody. I'm just going to type in Taylor. I guess let me just add Swift. Then I'm going to press OK. And then here, I guess, I don't know what this does. Oh, it adds candles, I guess. I don't want to add it anymore, so I'm just going to hit OK. Then I'm going to basically just record this for a few seconds. Press the check mark button. And I'm just going to go to the edit screen and I'm going to make this really zoomed in, and I'm going to play it and I'm going to take a screenshot of it. And that's going to be my wallpaper. Just zoom it in and set it as your wallpaper. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!